Hello, welcome to the video. In this lesson, we're looking at section 11.6, where we're going to look at volumes of pyramids. So, first things first, looking at the volume of a pyramid, a little bit different than the volume of a prism or a cylinder, because you are essentially taking the area of the base times it by the height, but then that also now gets multiplied by 1/3. So the theory is you can fit three pyramids in one prism. So that is the theory. And again, it doesn't matter if it's a right angled pyramid or a truncated pyramid. The height is what you are looking for. So with that, we want to find the volume of this pyramid. So looking at 1/3 times by the area of the base. In this case, they say it's a right triangle where the base looks like be 1/2 times it by 4 times it by 6, and then the height of this is 9 in the main pyramid. So when we do all the multiplication, so 1/2 times it by 4 times it by 6 times it by 9 times it by 1/3, we get a volume of 36 cubic meters. All right, so it says here originally the Keras pyramid, hopefully I probably butchered that pronunciation, sorry, had a height of about 144 meters and a volume of about 2,218,800 cubic meters. They want us to find the side length of the square base. All right, so looking at this, what we can then say, so again, volume is 1/3 times by the area of the base times by the height. So they gave us a height which was 144. They gave us a volume which was 2,218,800. So this is going to be equal to 1/3 times by the area of the base times it by 144. So 144 times by 1/3 is 48. So essentially I'm going to take 2,218,800, divide that by 48, and I get 46,225, which is equal to B. So B represents the area of the base. And they said that this base was a square. So to find the side lengths, I simply take the square root of 46,226, which will give me a side length of 215 meters. Here they want you to find the height of a triangular pyramid. So in this particular one, they told you that the height of the base is 3. The base of the triangle is 4. So we can say, all right, volume is 14. That equals 1/3 times it by 1/2 times it by 3 times 4. And h is what we don't know. So 1/2 times it by 3 times it by 4, which gets us 6, times that by 1/3, which gets us 2. So 14 is equal to 2h, which means h is going to be 14 divided by 2, which is 7. feet. All right. Here it says that pyramid A and pyramid B are similar. They want you to find the volume of pyramid A, or sorry, pyramid B. So if you recall from 11.5, if once you found the scale factor of the two similar figures, you could do a ratio where it is going to be with respect to k cubed. So let's find the scale factor. So since we're going from A to B, A to B is a reduction. So it's going to be K is going to fall between 0 and 1. So it's going to be with the two values that I know here. I got 6 and 8 are both heights. So I'm just going to take 6 divided by 8, which in lowest terms is going to be 3/4. So to find the volume of pyramid B, the volume over the volume of A, which is 96, is going to be equal to k to the third power. So it's going to be 3/4 cubed. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take 3/4 and cube it, and then that's going to be multiplied by 96, which gets us a volume of about 40.5 cubic meters. All right, so the final example here, it says find the volume of the composite solid. So the reason why, again, why it's composite is we're looking at two different three-dimensional objects. We are actually adding the volumes of two pieces. So we're looking at the volume of this prism right here. And additionally, we're looking at the volume of this pyramid here. So let's look at the volume of the pyramid. The volume of the pyramid is going to be 1/3 times it by the area of the base, which we notice that it's 6 times 6, which is 36, times it by the height, which is 6 here. So 36 times 6 is 216. Divide that by, what, 3, or times it by 1/3, I get 72. And if I looked at the volume of the prism here, it's going to be the volume of the base, which is, again, it's a square, so it's 6 times 6, and the height is 6, so we got 6 times 6 times 6, which is 216. So to find the volume of the composite, I'm going to take 216 plus 72, which equals 288 cubic meters. And that is being able to find the volume of prisms. Hope this helps. Till next time.